our man of the world 2026 is Philippines! Man of the world!
Good morning, everyone. So it's a very different Real Talk episode that we will have today. Today we are here at the open house in Southwood City in Binyan, Laguna. I'm here at the third floor of Southwood Mall. And we'll try to interview someone. Kasi in real estate, madami kang ibang na-meet. And today, we'll meet one very interesting personality that we have at Mega World RFO Premiere. Let's see if he'll do an interview with us. Let's go! Hi, sir! How are you?
Hello, mabuhay.
So, if you guys don't know, I'm here with Mr. Oliver Eugene Kretz, the recently crowned Man of the World 2026. So, sir, pwede ka bang ma-interview?
Yes, sure.
Hi guys! So right now, I'm with Mr. Man of the World 2026. So this is just a very quick question. What makes you consider to join real estate, specifically Mega World RFO Premiere?
First is I have idea about Mega World that it is like one of the top in the Philippines, like top 3. And Mega World is known for its quality and reputation in business. And sa Palawan kasi we have Mega World projects there na nade-develop. So sabi ko, maganda pala ang Mega World all around the Philippines, di ba? So
So, sir, sa Palawan ka pala nanggaling.
galing. And at the same time, my previous manager encouraged me and offer Mega World to be a fit job for me as a model. So, kaya napili ko yung Mega World. And at the same time, hindi ako nag-regret kasi na-reach ko yung first sale ko. And
Ice break ka na, sir.
yes, and about sa ice break naman, nas na-boost yung confidence ko na kaya ko pala. And ginigay talaga ni Lord yung sales na yon para ma-support din yung mga activities ko, agenda sa modeling.
So, yung skills and experience mo sa modeling and sa pageants helped you in your role as a sales agent.
Especially the confidence by facing people, talking to people. It gives me more confidence and skills to communicate to people.
Actually, yes, by being a real estate agent, you find every day. It's really nice that you get to interact with different kinds of people. Actually, this is what makes our job really interesting. Day in, day out, iba-iba. Iba-iba yung mararanasan mo, mamimit mo.
Yes.
And I think it's a big advantage really to have such a personality with us at Mega World RFO Premiere.
Wow, di ba? So sobrang lucky ni Mega World that we have Mr. Oliver. Yeah, so for now, that's all muna. Thank
And
you.
we'll continue in the next episode of The Real Talk. Bye!